Ever wondered how to make traditional British black pudding at home? Black pudding, a staple of the full English breakfast, is a sausage made from pork blood, fat, and fillers such as oatmeal. This robust and hearty delicacy holds an esteemed place in British cuisine, with a history dating back hundreds of years. Don't let the ingredients intimidate you though. The process of making black pudding is not as complicated as it might seem. Stay tuned to learn how to make your own authentic British black pudding. To start off, gather all the necessary ingredients. We'll need a cornerstone of any black pudding recipe: pig's blood. Rich in iron, it gives the pudding its unique, robust flavor and signature color. Next up is pork fat, which adds a layer of depth and a silky mouthfeel to our dish. Now don't forget the humble onion, a culinary workhorse that will provide a sweet, aromatic backbone to our pudding. We'll also need oatmeal, the unsung hero that ties everything together, lending body and texture while soaking up all the lovely juices. And of course, we cannot underestimate the power of salt. It's more than a seasoning, it's a flavor enhancer, making all the other ingredients sing. Last, but by no means least, we have our spices. Nutmeg, marjoram, and a pinch of clove will add a warm, comforting undertone, echoing the heartiness of traditional British cuisine. With all ingredients at hand, we are ready to begin the cooking process. Now, it's time to get cooking. Let's dive right into the process of creating our own British black pudding. First things first, we need to prepare our ingredients. Grab your fresh pig's blood and mix it with your oats and barley. This creates the base of our pudding. Season this mixture generously with salt, pepper, and a good helping of your chosen herbs for that extra kick of flavor. Next, we're on to the cooking. Heat a large pan over a medium heat and pour in your well-seasoned mixture. The key here is to stir constantly. We want to avoid any lumps and ensure our pudding has a smooth consistency. As the mixture begins to thicken, it's time to pack it into our sausage casings. This step may seem daunting, but with a little patience, you'll get the hang of it. Make sure to pack them tightly, leaving no air pockets. Now for the fun part, cooking our pudding. Pop your packed casings into a pot of boiling water and let them simmer gently for about 2 hours. This slow cooking allows all the flavors to meld together, creating a truly authentic black pudding. Finally, once the pudding has cooled, it's time to slice. Aim for about 1/2 inch thickness for each slice. This will give you the perfect bite, with a crispy exterior and a soft, rich interior. And there you have it, your very own homemade British black pudding. So, that's how you make traditional British black pudding at home. Just gather the ingredients, follow the process, and voila, a culinary masterpiece awaiting your taste buds. Don't shy away, give it a try, and share your culinary adventure. Enjoy the rich flavors of this British delicacy. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.